Yep, looks like it snowed last night. I turn the camera and the snow stops blowing. Get some more there. Remember that road I worked on yesterday? Can't tell. Snowed a heap last night and into this morning. But thankfully Jim and his tractor took care of us. Again. Remember Mondays and Tuesdays video? Wednesday. Tuesday night, Wednesday, same amount of snow. Back in. Can't see the trailer dog. 24 hours. Look at the difference. Can't even tell the road was plowed. Trail up to the house is like it was on Saturday. Did I say I was tired of snow? I think I said I was tired of snow.